Running out of Android storage? Here's how to remove downloaded files and make more space. Way 1. How to delete downloads on Android from settings. Unlock your phone and open Settings. Go to Downloads and select Files to delete. Tap Delete to remove them. Way 2. How to delete downloads from Android via default File Manager. Open File Manager and go to Downloads. Select the files you want to remove. Tap Delete and confirm. For Samsung Galaxy users, open My Files and go to Downloads. Select the files you want to delete, tap Delete, and confirm Move to Trash. Way 3. How do I delete downloads on Android with App Tray? Open the Apps tray and find the app. Press and hold it, then tap Uninstall. Confirm by tapping OK. Way 4. How to delete Android downloads with Google Files. Install Files by Google and open Downloads. Tap the three dots next to a file, select Move to Trash and confirm. Way 5. How do you delete downloads on Android from a browser directly? Open Chrome and go to Downloads. Tap the trash icon next to the file. Confirm by tapping Delete. Way 6. How to erase a download on Android from a computer. Connect your Android phone to PC via USB. Open your phone storage in File Explorer. Select Files and click Delete. Additional tips. How to delete downloads on Android permanently. For permanent deletion, use Mobikin Eraser for Android. It securely removes downloads and other data, supports bulk deletion, and works with most Android devices.